so somebody will know you're not here all alone.
I haven't been abandoned by my family to the Siberian wilderness. You know it's snowing out there?
Well, that's what he said, and it brought me outside.
That got you out.
I'm still waiting for it.
It's not impressive. We're talking a few flakes.
But I want to see those few.
Well, you got to go out where they are and let them fall on your tongue.
And my glasses are on.
But it tells you what the temperature is. Now the cotter pin is out, and we're going to take off the castle. It's snowing, by the way. Not a lot, but it tells you the temperature. And now the hub should come right off. Excellent. And that is it for now. The next part can be done inside. Whoopee! Here's the warm inside job.
You finish all them? Got the hub off? Can I put this over the end at least? So that, pushing that down should allow it to go in.
This looks like loading the grease gun.
Yeah. I understand that.
There's not a flake of metal in there, is there? That might come off and go
let's look
into
and
your
see.
bearing.
Let's look and see.
You don't want any flakes.
See that? When they drill that hole, put it, I don't know if they cleaned it out.
Let me take a look. Comes out of here completely.
No, that's the wrong one. What the heck? I don't understand that. One more, and then we're ready to put the old race in. Okay, here we are, sitting in the snow in Lufkin, Texas, driving new races into old hubs.
I mean that we don't run out of grease
Right.
with this tube.
Yep.
That thing should be moving out it. Yeah, it is. Okay, good.
Good.
Sit with
So this is snowfall in Lufkin here on the 21st day of March, which must be around the vernal equinox, but nevertheless, we're looking at the snow coming down. I don't know if you can see it in the video.
You know, I got to see those in my rearview mirrors too.
Well, you're going to get tired of that. They're very bright.
Yeah. Those are
So here we are, leaving on Monday, and the boat's back here again. Didn't go away. There's frost on the window of my car.